kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I created this like cartoonish Halloween Frankenstein nail using just a few products that I have on hand. So let's get into the video. So we're going to start off with the BEETLES gel polish in the number 277. It's like this neon green. Then I'm using my IT matte. And I'm using my D&D Black Ocean Gel Polish. So I find that it's easier to paint like hand painted designs on a matte nail. So all I did was do 2 coats of my BEETLES like lime green neon number 277 gel polish, cured it for 60 seconds for each coat. And then I put my matte top coat on, let that cure for 60 seconds, and then I go in with that D&D Black Ocean and I start off here making some drip nails. And this is pretty much how I do the drips. So I start off putting the dots first, like where the drips would be, and then I kind of work backwards from there. So I make the lines going up, and I'm using my little nail art brush here. Little tip: when you order or buy nail art brushes, you can kind of pluck the hairs to make them workable for you. I do that all the time. This brush was kind of a newer brush, so it's very thick and full, which is great depending on what you're trying to draw. So just be mindful of that. I felt like this brush was okay when I was doing the drip nails. If I wanted to do like really more detailed drawings, I would use a finer brush to do it. But yeah, for drip, this is pretty much it. So as you can see, kitties, I changed my brush. I'm using a finer nail art brush. This is a brush, like I mentioned before, I plucked some hairs out to make it even finer. And here I'm just getting some gel polish on my brush, and I'm trying to create my cartoon Frankenstein. So I bought this Frankenstein like cup from the dollar store, of course, and I was like, he would be kind of cool to paint on a nail. I am not super into Halloween, that's not my thing, but more of the cartoonish Halloween, you know, like maybe some Disney Halloween movies, some Tim Burton I'm okay with, stuff like that. Like I'll watch Transylvania or something like that, the cartoon version with my daughter or whatever. But I wanted to do something really cartoonish, so I decided, okay, let me try to recreate the Frankenstein cup. And this is kind of how he looked. But if you look up just Frankenstein, Google the image, and just recreate it, take your time. Mind you, this is sped up. I just went for it and just followed the lines and did my own version of Frankie here. So that's pretty much all I'm doing. I'm following the lines, doing his outlining first, using my nail art brush that's very fine picked, because I picked it myself. The brush itself did come fine, but I still went in with my tweezer and plucked some more hairs out of it so that it could be super fine, right? I will say, I think I used more, like I had maybe too much gel polish on the brush. That's why his lines came out super thick. So I wouldn't saturate the brush if I were you guys, especially when you're doing the outlining first, you know, because you can always come back in. You just want to get your lines right. So I feel like I did put a little too much gel polish, but I still think Frankie came out pretty cool. Now, kitties, while Frankie cures, we're going to go in with some D&D Fire Engine Red. And I'm just making some slashes. I had already done the slashes. I am going in for another coat of the red of the slashes on the other nail. I had put that nail to cure and I went back to Frankie. And I'm just using my dotting tool to give him some white eyes. Put that to cure, come back to my slashes, and I'm just getting some more of the black gel polish and just making these like stitches kind of lines over the red like cuts or slashes. Like I said, very cartoony, very cute, you know, nothing too gory. I'm very Casper the Friendly Ghost when it comes to this holiday season, okay? So then I go back in on Frankie and did just emphasizing the eyes. I use my dotting tool to do this because it's a little bit more precise, guys. So then I go in, once everybody's nice and cured, I'll go in with my matte top coat, just mattifying everything. But I do come back in with my gel polish just for certain parts that I wanted to be shiny. I believe I put some on his eyes, on some, and I went in and did the drips over because I wanted the drips to be shiny. So kitties, if you've made it this far into the video, as I explained to you in the community page and on my last video, we are doing random giveaways. So here are the rules for this next random giveaway. Guys, please, 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 down in the comment section below, I need you to put hashtag Frankie. That's hashtag FRANKIE to be entered in the next random giveaway. And these are the end results of my Frankenstein Halloween-ish nail design. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone. And good luck to all my beautiful kitties. Thanks so much. Until next time. Bye, kitties. We'll be right back.